Hey, so once again, we're back from Wheeland, and himself has fallen asleep. Even after the frying pan incident, he trusts me enough to fall asleep in front of him. So we're going to have a bit of fun with him.
I'm singing in the rain, just singing in the rain. What a glorious feeling, I'm happy again. I'm lost in the clouds.
So he's asleep, the shaving foam has been applied, and all we need now is one feather, which we have. Let's go do this.
What the fuck? Oh man, for fuck's sake, like.
Say hi.
Oh, I can't. Fuck you, man. You're a fucking cunt. Like, every time. Every time, man. Oh, for fuck. Oh, you know what? I'm gonna accept that happen.
I'm singing.
Oh. I can't even give out, like, you know what I mean? Oh, man, give us a towel, will you?
Oh.
Singing in the rain, just singing in the rain. What a glorious feeling.